And in Butte, our John Amy with new information on how you go about getting a COVID vaccine. He's in our Butte studios with a live report. John.
Well, that's right, Donna. Well, right now, hospital staff in Butte are already getting vaccinated. But just like in Gallatin County, Butte officials won't be able to know how many people can start getting vaccinated until they know how many vials come into Butte, and then people can start calling in to get their free vaccinations. Butte's health department has a rough plan of distributing the COVID-19 vaccines to the community, but they still don't know when people will be able to make an appointment to get one.
It is a substantial logistical effort with a light at the end of it.
The health department is waiting to see how many vials of the new vaccine it's going to get before it moves into the next phase of vaccinations, set to begin in mid-January.
While we can tell people who will be in those groups, the infrastructure on how we're going to do that needs to be talked about and implemented.
Next month, first responders, educators, and people 75 or older will be first in line. This will include public workers and grocery workers. By February, those 16 to 64 with high-risk medical conditions will get vaccinated, as well as other essential workers. And by March into summer, the general population will get their turn. Having the staff to administer these shots will be a challenge.
How are we going to work together to get enough nurses, pharmacists lined up to do the real work?
Now, the current vaccine comes in a vial that holds 10 doses, and it has to be kept frozen. And when they're ready to use it, they have to give it time to unthaw, and then they have a short window of time to use all the doses in each vial.
And then once you open the vial, you have to use the 10 shots within 6 hours. Otherwise, you can't use it after that. So there's a lot of planning going into, you open a vial, we want 10 arms available.
And as soon as they get a pretty good count of how many doses of this vaccine come in, they're going to let the public know through the media and other sources when they can call in to make an appointment. And that's the story from Butte. Reporting live, John Amy, back to you.
All right, John, thank you.